Hello and welcome to our next video tutorial. Today I will show you how to park and unpark calls using myPBX. Parking a call is a convenient and flexible way of transferring a call to another subscriber. The fact that calls can be transferred from any phone on the PBX is a big advantage. Calls can be parked to any phone number. Any authorized subscriber from a group can unpark the call. As soon as a connection is set up, myPBX displays a new park icon for all favorites where parking is possible. Click on this icon to park an active call to this number. The person making the call hears wait music. The target subscriber's telephone does not ring. To park to your own number, click on the P button on the call. Calls parked to your own number are indicated in myPBX with the P icon in the info area. To unpark, click on the icon. The call is picked and connected immediately. All other subscribers can see the subscriber's park call in the myPBX favorite list. The call can be picked up by clicking on the icon. Unparking calls is also possible from other telephones without myPBX. In the case of newer telephones, you can also select the unpark icon. In the case of older phones, you have to enter a special number code to unpark a call. We would be happy to receive your feedback on topics we could discuss in our next video tutorials. Simply suggest your ideas by writing us a comment, and we will create the tutorials accordingly. If you like our series, we would be delighted if you give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to activate the alarm bell to have the latest videos displayed. Thanks for watching, and until next time.